how salt preserves food. Now we all know what salt is, but chemically, salt as we know it is made up of a sodium molecule and a chlorine molecule known as sodium chloride. It is translucent, colorless, odorless, officially, though we think it might have a scent of the ocean or the sea, but it has a distinctive and characteristic taste. In chemistry, a salt is an ionic compound, which is made up of two groups of oppositely charged ions. The ion with a positive charge is called a cation, and the one with a negative charge is an anion. Now, the table salt we know and use today is commonly made up of just sodium chloride. Quality sea salt contains essential minerals for the body. Consuming excess salt can cause your body to retain water. High sodium diets also leads to higher blood pressure. Salt can also be used in creating brines, which is the term for a salt solution used in the curing and pickling preservation processes. Salt is used to remove the moisture from food through the method of osmosis. By removing the moisture from meat, this inhibits the growth of bacteria. Table salt is the most common use of preservation of food because it is non-toxic and very inexpensive. Before your refrigerators were around, many cultures relied on the use of salt to preserve foods. Untreated meat decomposes rapidly if not preserved. Several factors affect this, like the humidity, the temperature, and the presence of bacteria. The process of curing meats is able to significantly extend the life of meat before it spoils, creating microbe-free environments. How does the salt inhibit this microbial growth, you ask? Through a process called plasmolysis. In plasmolysis, cells lose water in a hypertonic solution. The microbial growth will increase in a hypotonic solution. Water is drawn out of the microbial cell in osmosis due to the higher concentration of salt outside of the cell. In the past, the dry salting method was preferred. This was using coarse salt like corn or pellets of salt. Now we have discovered the injection of brine into the meat so that we can speed the curing process.